So we've stopped, we've investigated the source, we've found better coverage. Now what? Trace claims, quotes, and media to the original context. All right. So say you've sifted out as best you can, sifted out all the bad information, and you're still a little unsure about a source's credibility. Think about where the information originated from and see if you can trace the information that's in the article. Okay, and think about, is the information consistent across platforms? If I see a certain statistics say that, I don't know, 80% of students love school, okay, and I see that on 3 different resources, but on the 4th, I see that they changed the statistic and it only says 60% of students love school. I'm going to want to double check that 4th source because it's not matching up with everything else that I've been seeing. And you want to make sure that you're pushing yourself to find the best information. Because say that 60% that you find, that statistic, aligns more with your thesis, you can't just use it because it matches up with your thesis. Okay, you need to make sure that you're being truthful in the information that you're using and that you're pulling from credible resources. Okay, so if you get to this step of tracing claims and quotes in your SIFT process, know that we have fact-checking resources available for you. Okay, so on your Pearl trees, you have access to this. Okay, and we have a ton of different fact-checking websites that you can use for free. All right, and this is something to be aware of just, as you're scrolling through Instagram or Twitter, or you find an interesting article. Think about where it's coming from, and if you're really not sure, fact-check it. It's as simple as that. All right, let's go back to our page. Okay, so overall, just always be skeptical. Always think about how you can best sift out all of that bad or discreditable information.